mahama wa hu say opa de kokwa na yebamba no adekokko nso hu hwe.
Welcome to the Political Rant with me, the voice, right here on Ghana Sem TV. Please like, comment, subscribe, share, turn on the notification so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you'll be notified.
Wa hu say maka asem we say the voice say moba boa ye hia communicators so ye pamuncha
ye hear me
MPP ye hia communicators. Even in the mainstreams in Ghana media, Nankasaton, ye hear be, ye pamucha wo. Na mahama wa hu say, or pa de kokwa na ye bamba no, at the kokon so hu. Ghana for woman san. Even sene, and then I yet to aba, me kama chow say, about to na ye to ye no kajo mama, nyonya e onya da. Sene Ghana for any abre. Ene bosome kwamba ye niema NDC achacha Ghana no. Ghana for start to regret you to ma for mo ho adwen. Na sem ne nyina ne se tetem ne de ye hu opepa mo hu se o wini ye kura na sofo ni bi as you said the voice. Who kai sa sofo ni bi be kan ye. Sai dwoma ma ye se ye besa ma mfie na ya ka ho. E pa cho mo kai. Aha. Aya grand work ni schemes o ma ye ediegu wadada, but it will never yield any fruit. It won't happen. Yantina ho emma or no be book constitution so na suppose to change bibi woman as you said no. Se prof set a committee how many years ago or by a better na so say good mu amoano. Na because say what did Ghana for adwene di agoro na ye kasa kire ye nua no momenti obankoto aba no abenya majority to 10 dintina eye ne say obetimi aye bibia Johnny Jody mayenka wo kakra bi o mayenka bibi kitwa bi nkyerɛw se wo pese wo hu Ghana fo so ban a kobusa ne mo saje fo Dr. Kwame Nkrumah ye papa with the blessed memory Ujani fi Ghana. Ye tu na de so. Jo mama kubusa Ghana fo so ban. Emma eyi power enhye wadwene mu sa bebre o na Ghana fo. They are like Britain weather. You can never predict them. Enti power na wo nya ne sa no eyo nyame na de ama wo sa sane wasofo ne ka da bi o nanso eye ngwase await for you. Let him try. Let him try. Na se onimo wa onhwe na. Atamils na obefan as a vice. NDC for bebre oppose then they say they won't allow him to be the vice no. And then away. Ye papa emisata obedi na chia ye call 2016 you can say about way 2016 almost second yes there be omobe lusu ye so or the vice president about misata or he yes Park say misata or he John Hama answer that na me say busa obiom say ye papa Jerry away so onimo wu a onhwe na emre ye ni nkaso emre ye ni nkaso na dwene a wafa ne say we afa Ghana fo no mu ndo no ye ne so to kura dwenkese into the star dwenkese ni bi ti Ghana fo wo fa ntro ne akohwisam niema enye no kore a Ghana fo begedi no no afa ho dia enrich the self and then Ibrahim and then the family but woni bibia wa ahase na were na jo mama ye with this time the mema na be face wo ye ma ye be face boot for boot na ye be ma Ghana for organize demonstration na referendum no se wotimi pass we show na so person ba tete ye beto abetia you will never come back. Yes, Ghana nyane dia ye ma jo mahama kwan monfa Ghana ontietia ya somdwe ni ani jeso sa maso media ben hunda hey oh ye greedy Oh, ye greedy bastard. They be a mekas assemble. Na me see assemble. Ye say Jerry who catch le John ye papa the late. Papa, may you rest in peace. Yeah, Papa, Tamis. Jerry who catch say, no, don't choose this guy. Don't choose him. Because na Jerry ni mwomo family. She, ni a penny, John Mahama we, ne papa ba penny. Na owo PNDC abanyemo. Something happened and he died. A open secret na eno nye the topic for the day. Auntie Jerry knows this family very well. Na o advice ye no watamil sentie satamil sitie ya kenya ne ye haw kakraka agana sofo egangi against the MPP akofo bonsam say adane no se oye osrabofo de na be Ghana kom na so pese hu ne ete NDC sa papa Jo Mahama mu a just pray and you will see nemon na dwene ne de wafa insusuye no waye nanso it will never see the light of the day. Manuesi, official, you're welcome.
I say Ghana mebuna mo wo boase kwa menenim ho. Munji bum ko ho. Obi anko pe de akom de na onya obedi o. Obi anko. Abodam. Munko. Listen, say AGA, no, let me tell you, if you guys don't take care, we will chase you out of this country, I swear. My careful, we will chase you out of this country. Because listen, move it to the cyanide hole, almost 100 meters square, aqua to South Africa. Debbie, move it to me. Cyanide square, 100 meters square, Sami and San, to South Africa na. Na nye ti bonko som penifo edi en so na bona. Ana se bona. Yenum di en so a ebe de na nipa betwa niama wenum. Mo betimi e South Africa. Enu ni ade a me pese na na do te ase. Minister of Lands and Natural Resources te ase se AGA say oboase and the youth of Oboase rise. Mo sorry. If you say when you go ni bi mpa ndidi a ebe kakra wo kwati bewu.
This has been a political rant with me, the voice, right here on Ghana TV. Please like, comment, subscribe, share, turn on the notification so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you'll be notified. Until then, bye bye. See you in the next one. Cheers.